Okay, so I wanted to connect to the server, but before then I need to add a feature which is the remote access. So now the remote access control is done installed, and remote access. So remote access is done. So now I should be able to connect to this server from the Windows 7. So Windows 7, I will go to um, remote connection. And this is the IP address of the server. Anyway, I can connect to the server using this, or better still, I can remote desktop settings. So this one, when I come here, I should be able to use this to also connect to the server. So I can use the server name, copy, or maybe I will use the IP address of the server. So connect. Now it will ask me for the password of the administrator. So I'll add password. Good. So okay. Yeah, now so I'm trying to connect to my server without being in the server room, so that this machine which is connected to the server, I'll be able to make changes on the server without being in the server room. So it is assumed that this Windows 7 is somewhere else, and this is server 2019. Good. So I'm connecting. Yeah, so we go to yes, yes, we want to connect using Windows 7. Using Windows 7, connecting to our server. Okay, so um good. So we are in. Yeah, so this is the server. You can see we are connected to 192.168, and everything is okay for us here. So this is our server, and this is it. You go to tools and go to Active Directory users. So I can even create a new user because I'm already in the server. So I can add users to the server. Let me add user here. Let me add Mr. Passy. So Passy, yes, so Passy is okay. So now Passy can also log onto this machine because I'm creating a new user and I'm giving Passy password. Good. So this password, when I give it to Passy, he will log in and also change the password. Yes, so this is for security reasons. I have to let the user change the password on their first logon. Good. So yeah, so good. Now we have Passy here. This means that um when I log off from this machine, Passy should be able to log on and change the password. So quickly I will off the remote connection. I'll end the remote connection, and then I want to switch user. So switch user, and I will want to switch user and go to other user, and I want to use Passy and password is password, and go to Passy dot Kiko, no, Passy at Kiko dot local, and the password is supposed to be password. So the user password must be changed before logging on the first time. So that is what I'm talking about. Now Passy has to change his password. So the old password is there. Now Passy has to give a new password. So when Passy gives the password, administrator, I won't see this because yeah. Yeah. So I almost repeat the password. Yeah, so let's go. Yes, so changing password. This is done now. Your password has been changed and it will log you on. So anytime Passy is logging on, he will use the new password that he created. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time and attention again. And